Hello, welcome to JoJo's farm. Thank you all for watching. Hope each and everyone is doing well, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. If you haven't, click your notification button. Please click your notification button and then hit your like button so that whenever we post anything, you'll be the first to know. Thank you all once again for watching this channel, JoJo's Farm. This is an update from where we left off, or from the last video. This is an update. Like I said in previous video, if you watch, our next step was to go on with the plumbing work. This is how we design the plumbing work. This is how the plumbing work is. This is how it is done. So far so good. Things are working according to plan. Things are working successfully, and I believe that we are in the latter part of this construction, and we are looking forward for the next step, which will be the concreting and then the plastering work. The concrete work and the plastering work. So far so good. Then the carpenter will come and finalize his work, and then things will move on. We're also looking forward to mount the water tank, hopefully to be as soon as possible. So far we've made arrangements, and arrangement is ongoing as well. Looking at where to get the pigs from, what farm to choose our pigs from. And remember that where you buy your pigs from is very important. You have to buy pigs that you can get good record of. Buy pigs that you can continue where they left off. As you can see, we fixed the nipples and they are all set. You just have to bring in the water tank and connect it to it. But that is another work that we're looking forward to see on in our next video. We are almost there. Like I said, your comments is very important. Your advice is very important, as this is our first time of taking such a project. If you can advise us, if you can contribute by giving us your advice, we will be very happy. All advices are welcome. All criticisms are welcome, because we are learning and we want to know, so that we can do the right thing. We wouldn't wait till later on to say, oh, had I known. No. So far, so good. All is well, all is set. And we are looking forward for the next step. Hopefully, by next week, we'll be able to get somewhere. Yes, somewhere very important. Very important. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. It might profit somebody. Maybe for all you know, somebody somewhere looking for somebody to advise, somebody to watch his or her videos. Yes, so share, and it might be helpful to someone. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all. If you haven't subscribed, do so. And let the comment keeps coming. Thank you all for watching this video. God richly bless you. And hopefully next week we will get somewhere better. Shalom. Bye.